Hello, welcome to my Sunday From. Today we have this package and we're just gonna test it. Open it, test it out. So I got this big old box of things that I just needed. You know, I just had to pick them up because I guess there was a few things that I really needed, and one is this. I always get it for under $3 on coupon. It's Myers Clean Day Daisy Scented Hand Soap. I love this for my restroom. It has olive oil and aloe vera. I like this one in the rose scent because they're floral scented. And then I got these Hermes dupes, which are very foam. They're like foam. They look like shower shoes. I know you guys love Hermes dupes, and I thought I would try to get my hands on one. And these are I think they're size 7. But I was looking more for sandals, like to wear little dresses with, because I think that's what the point was. So here I got Dry XT. I use this whenever I'm bloating. And it gets rid of all the extra water. It has B6, calcium, magnesium, potassium, horsetail dandelion root extract, hawthorn berry, green tea, leaf extract, yerba mate leaf powder. But yeah, it has like essential vitamins, so you won't like dehydrate, like the magnesium and potassium. Calcium and B6, like I think they're probably essential too when you're getting rid of water weight. So that's why I think they threw those in there. And then this stuff like kind of helps, you know, the urination and all that stuff. Like I've been using this for a while, and I can tell you it helps so much, but you have to continue using it to see all the effects that it has and get all the benefits. Because let me tell you, like when I used up the other bottle, like I was so happy. I finally found something that helps me with edema and all those other things. And man, I found allergy relief fexofenadine tablets. These were like 6 something. They were under 7. They're used for hives, I guess, but it says sneezing, runny nose, itchy, watery eyes, itchy nose or throat, right? Indoor outdoor allergy relief for 24 hours. And that was important to me, to have 24 hours in fexofenadine. This is non-drowsy, so that one helped. I've tried it before and I don't remember I don't remember how I felt afterwards, but I don't think it was bad. So I went ahead and got it. I was gonna buy the actual, it says right here, compared to Allegra, which was $17. It's literally $10 less. And this one, I got this one on sale. It was like 17 something. Like the coupon was really good. Originally for these 60 capsules, it's almost 20. It's like 19 something. Like I got water. Oh, I got my rice. My rice is $1 something. It's under $2 for long green rice, I think. What does it say? Enriched rice. Ooh, it's got a hole in it. Okay, put that there. And then I got light shampoo. This is eliminate piojos. Oh, I'm sorry. Eliminates head, body, and pubic crab lice. It comes with a comb, so we'll open it up together. This is a very sensitive subject before school, and you know, during the school year, but I wanted to show you guys. This is like it's literally the cheapest one out there. It's like 5 something. It comes with the comb, which if you have lice, this picks them up. Believe it or not, it picks them up. It has pepperonyl butoxide. Pepperonyl butoxide has insecticide. It's like a repellent for insects. And the pyrethrum also, it repels insects. And yeah, I think it's really good for the price that it is. And it's a small bottle, so it's not like I'm wasting. Other than that, I got the coupon for those 24 packs of water for under $4, which was like 3 something. And you know, like, it's better than in-store price. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Make something different. Bye bye.